She brought home new math. That's what they want us to do. I don't even know what this math is. And even when you break it down, you see old math sneak in there. You're like, that was old math right there. Just do that at the beginning. It would be if you came to my house and you knocked on the front door and you're like, can I come in? And I was like, could you walk around and come in through the back door? And you would be like, does the front door not work? And it's like, it works. It works fine. I use it. Most people still use it. But the new way is to go jump the fence, come in the back, and then meet me back here.